Well, good morning everybody. Welcome to another channel of Wildlife X. If you're new to the channel, my name is Tian van der Walt, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be sighting in our rifles for the upcoming Blesbuck and Swartwildebeest hunting event. We're just going to show you what we have been using. The reason we're doing this today is we are just going to check out that all of our ammunition and our scopes and our rifles are tuned in precisely. As hunters, it's our job to ensure when we hunt the animal, we put it down with a quick and humane shot. Well, shot placement is key for this, and we're just gonna test out the long range shooting as well as some shorter distance target practicing. I know you guys won't be able to see this, but over there we've got the Blesbuck target set up at about 250 meters, and we have two gongs, one at 400 meters and one at 600 meters, and that's the distances we'll be practicing at. And I'm just going to show you what we'll be using. This is my father-in-law's 7.62 caliber, and with a Burris Eliminator 3 rifle scope. This is the laser rangefinder Burris, and guys, I'm not promoting any of these products. I'm just showing you guys what we are using, and what I'm going to give you the review of what I find these scopes and these rifles with the ammunition we're using. The combination of these, we have been using them for quite a while, and we are very pleased at how it all performs together. We get, with the 308, we get less than a 1 MOA grouping at 100 meters. And this will be my baby. I'm using the .270 caliber, also with the Burris Eliminator 3 laser rangefinder rifle scope, minus the bit smaller one with the 3 to 12 zoom. And this is what we'll be using, and this is what we'll be using for the Blesbuck, and we'll be using the .762 for the Blesbuck hunting. For the Swartwildebeest hunting. Well, without further ado, I'm just waiting for my father-in-law to return to his position, and then we'll show you guys what will happen when we start shooting. I'll be starting off with the two gongs. If I can hit them both, then I'm just going to check if my rifle is sighted in perfectly for the short ranges as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you enjoy the video, and we're going to start. Okay, this would be my first attempt to shooting at the gong at a range of 471 yards. That's a distance of 380 meters, roundabout. I may be out about 30 yards or so, or 30 meters or so. But let's see how it goes. Oh, 471 yards and a 1.1 mil dot compensation for a 10-mile-an-hour wind. At this stage we don't have much of a wind, only a slight mirage from left to right. Dead on. Happy with that. 129 meters. Open. Mess. Knock. Dead on at 430 meters using the .762 caliber with the Burris Eliminator 3 with the 4 to 16 zoom.
Again. Look.
Okay guys, that was 2 misses at the distance of
542.
542 meters. Clearly there's something interfering. Might be environmental conditions or the mirage that's pushing a bit more than we think, or there might be a crosswind. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna lay behind my rifle, check through the scope and see if I can see grass moving, or I can watch the shift in the mirage, or maybe watch the vapor trail of the projectile to see what happens if the shot placement is over, under, or to the left or the right of the target. So we'll just see what happens, and I'll give you guys the info.
Check if you can see.
Yeah. Okay guys, I can't explain to you what happened. That one was dead on. I think there's a loose nut behind the scope and the gun at this moment. I'm just gonna get the big spanner to fix that real quick. Okay guys, me with my big mouth, it's now my turn to shoot at that gong. So I'll be giving you the distance in yards, so that you guys that do not work with the metric system, so that you can also get an idea of the distances we're really shooting at.
Kijk in die gras. Kom achter toe onder je scope. Onder je, daar, hier. Kijk, die zit in het gras. Hé?
Je ziet daar. Want in de draai. It's a distance of 594 yards. Yet again, the scope is telling me I have a 1.6 mil dot compensation for 10 mile per hour crosswind. In this case again, we don't have much wind, it's a lovely morning, so I'll be pretty much aiming dead on. I believe that was a miss.
Very aware. Ik denk dat je te veel toegelaten inderdaad. Ja, je moet op de meeste op de kant van ons gaan.
Dead on. So what happened with the first shot, I overcompensated for the mirage, and I think I was just off to the left of the gong. But hey guys, 600 yards, second shot dead on. I'm very happy with this scope. Yet again, I'm not promoting the scopes, all these rifles, all the equipment we are using. I'm just showing you guys what we are using.